Hard scrambled. Hard scrambled eggs are the standard in American diners, and they are exactly what the name suggests. The eggs are cooked all the way through until everything is fully firm. No runny parts, no glossy, wet texture, just solid, flaky curds that hold their shape on the plate. To make them, you whisk the eggs in a bowl, melt butter in a pan over medium. Heat, pour the eggs in, and stir regularly until nothing liquid remains. They are simple, sturdy, and easy to pair with anything else on the plate. Number 2. Soft scrambled. Soft scrambled eggs sit on the opposite end of the spectrum. The curds are small, moist, and glossy, and the texture is incredibly tender. The key difference is heat and patience. You cook the eggs on medium-low, stirring constantly, and you pull them off the heat before they look fully done. The residual heat in the pan finishes the job. If you wait until they look ready in the pan, they are already overcooked by the time they reach the plate. Fluffy scrambled. Fluffy scrambled eggs are light, airy, and slightly bouncy. The texture comes from adding moisture before cooking. A small splash of water, milk, or cream, about 1 tablespoon per egg, is whisked into the raw eggs before they hit the pan. As the liquid heats up, it creates steam inside the egg, which pushes the curds apart and makes them rise. You cook these over medium heat, pushing the edges toward the center to build large, soft folds. The result is a lighter, more pillowy version of the standard scramble, French scrambled eggs. French scrambled eggs, known in French as Oeufs brouillés, are unlike anything else on this list. The texture is closer to a thick, creamy sauce than to anything you would call a curd. There is no browning, no flaking, and no firmness at all. To make them, you use very low heat and stir the eggs continuously for 10 to 15 minutes in a heavy-bottomed pan or over a double boiler. Small pieces of cold butter are added throughout the process, melting slowly into the eggs and creating a rich, smooth, custard-like result. It takes time and attention, but the texture is unlike any other scrambled egg you can make. Microwave scrambled. Microwave scrambled. Eggs are not the most glamorous method, but they are fast and reliable for quick mornings. You whisk the eggs in a microwave-safe bowl with a small splash of milk, then cook them in 30-second intervals, stirring vigorously between each one. The short bursts of heat prevent the eggs from overcooking in one spot. After 2 or 3 rounds, the eggs come out fluffy and fully set. The texture is softer than pan-cooked eggs, but firmer than soft scrambled. It is a practical method rather than a refined one. Sous vide scrambled. Sous vide scrambled eggs take precision, cooking to the egg. Beaten eggs are combined with butter and seasoning, sealed inside a bag, and placed into a water bath held at exactly 167 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 75 degrees Celsius. Because the temperature never goes above that point, the eggs cannot overcook. You just massage the bag occasionally to move the curds around as they form. The result is an ultra-smooth, consistently creamy scramble with no risk of dryness or toughening. Espresso wand steamed scrambled. This one is a modern restaurant trick. Beaten eggs and butter are placed in a metal frothing pitcher, and the steam wand of an espresso machine is submerged directly into the mixture. The pressurized steam cooks the eggs almost instantly while simultaneously aerating them. The result is incredibly light, creamy, and soft, closer in texture to warm egg foam than to a traditional scramble. It is fast, unusual, and produces a texture that is almost impossible to replicate any other way.